Okay, you guys, you're here with Shug and Allan.
Today we're having Guy's Pig and Anchor on Carnival Radiance. Everybody talks about it, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out.
Okay. I want collard greens also. Okay, I want to get the sausage, just one. The chicken. And what's that one? No, behind it. What's the meat behind it? Yeah, what is that one?
Beef.
Okay, I'll take that. And some mac and cheese. And let's do the molasses baked beans. Yes. And then the greens. We're still waiting. Okay. Okay.
What's this sandwich right here? No coleslaw, just the sandwich?
This is a mac and cheese.
No, the sandwich right there in the back. What kind of?
Four baht and baht.
Okay, can I get that?
Okay, I will make the same one then. The wine comes from either side? Yes. Okay. This is mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese, please. And some potato salad, please.
So for the sauce, you can take
Over there? Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. So Allan got his plate. He's going to go get him some sauce on there. And I'm still waiting for my collard greens.
Okay. All right. You can get ice water up here. Although the ice is melted, they don't have all the juices and stuff up here. And then, of course, they've got your little bar here that's got your different barbecue sauces and such. You can either put it right on your food, or they've got little cups there for you. All right, guys, Pig and Anchor. This is more about Shug. This is Shug's kind of food.
Well, he's just along for the ride
I'm
here.
just along for the ride. You got quite a selection of stuff there.
And it was quite a line over there.
I didn't know they served seaweed at Guy's Pig and Anchor.
He's talking about the collard greens. Okay, so let's start off with what I got. I have the collard greens, mac and cheese, the molasses baked beans. I got a piece of brisket, drumstick, and a hot link. And then, of course, this is just bread. I like bread with my barbecue. Just plain and simple, I think, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
All right, so I'm gonna let y'all know if these greens are still the same as when I tasted them a couple of years ago.
They must be popular because you had to wait a minute for those.
Yeah, I did. Actually, I like them. They're good. Like I said, I had them before on this ship. It's just been a while, but it's very good, tasty, juicy. Let's see what the beans do. And a little bit of mac and cheese on there. They're good, but they're cold. It's windy today, and it's outside, so my plate actually was sitting up on a little,
A little counter.
Counter,
Yeah.
because they were waiting on the greens to come. Those are hot because they just cooked them. But yeah, the beans are on the real cold side. Same thing with the mac and cheese.
Is it cheesy?
It's cheesy though. You can tell it's just cold. Okay, let's try some of this. I didn't get much barbecue sauce. I didn't feel like walking to the other side. I was being lazy. And this one was almost empty. Oh yeah. That's definitely good. That's good.
Is it? Well, how's the temperature on that?
It's okay. It's warm.
Oh, okay.
But it's warmer than the beans and the mac and cheese. All right, biting off the bone. You'll never catch Allan biting off the bone.
No. I'm weird like that.
That's good. No complaints. Last but not least, my sausage. It's cold. As soon as I bit into it. But it tastes good. About the seasoning.
Yeah, all that food is sitting out. I mean, because it's
know.
outside, yeah,
But man, it's
they
good.
probably have a tough time keeping it warm.
So just think if it was indoors, oh my, this would definitely be the ticket.
Oh, okay.
All
right, my turn.
Okay, so you see, I got Allan to eat here with me again because this is my kind of eating.
Yes, it is. So this is a barbecue pork sandwich. Let's kind of spread that out a little bit. Let's do this side. Yeah, it doesn't really have a whole lot of flavor. I can taste the barbecue sauce. They have different kinds of barbecue. And I picked one that's sweet which most barbecue, nah, I guess they're not all sweet. But anyhow, yeah, I can't really taste the pork. It's cold. So, and I got my food before Shug and I waited until she came over here so we could start recording. That's a sacrifice being a content creator. So yeah, not much flavor to it. Let's try their mac. Let's see if their mac is cheesy.
Same.
Yeah, not too much flavor in it. It's cool. It's cold again. But yeah, not a whole lot of flavor. It is cheesy though. There is lots of cheese sauce on it.
Okay, let's see what this potato salad do.
Old-fashioned potato salad.
Now, Allan loves potato salad, so let's see what he think of this one.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't have all the other stuff that potato salad has in there, pickle and all that. But let me try another one. Potato salad I like cold, obviously. It's supposed to be cold. So yeah, potato salad, it's good. Has good flavor. I didn't notice that there was salt and pepper up there. Probably need some salt and pepper on it. But outside of that, it has good flavor. And of course, I got my Drink of Champions Dr. Pepper. They don't have ice out here. They've got, you know, canisters with the ice water in there, but not just ice by itself, so I can have ice with my soda. But still, Dr. Pepper, it's good. It don't matter whether you got ice or not. It's better with ice, but it's good either way. So, all right, I'll eat some more of this. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. Want to take a quick moment to show you some of our new merch.
Yes.
Make sure you visit our store. Shug is modeling. Cruises are my therapy. She makes that shirt look good. So if cruises are your therapy, we'll have a link below, of course. Head on over to our store and pick up your own merch.
Okay, and here we have Allan. He's modeling our men's t-shirt. This is Vacation Calories Don't Count at Sea.
Yeah, so they don't count at sea. They count at home. But it doesn't matter what you eat, how many chocolate ice cream cones you eat, the calories don't count at sea. Another one of our shirts on our new merch store. So check out the link below and check them out. Get your own. All right, Shug, was it everything you thought it would be?
Yes, exactly everything I thought it would be. Again, I had it before. It's just been a while. I wish it could have been warmer, but it was good. I had the beef brisket. I had a chicken leg. I had a sausage, mac and cheese, collard. Ooh, just all big bag, huh? The molasses baked beans. I wanted to try it all. I tried everything, I think, except the potato salad. But my plate was good.
Okay.
I don't even think Allan's plate was as big as mine.
Oh, not even close.
Okay.
Yeah, so no, I'm more of a guy's burger joint than Pig and Anchor. Yeah, just not my cup of tea. You know, the temperature wasn't good, but again, we're outside, I get it. And flavor, you know, like I should have got some salt and pepper. Everything seemed to lack flavor. Potato salad was good. It could use a little salt and pepper, but that's any potato salad. So yeah, this is all about Shug on this one. I had to drop this in. This is the view from the back of the ship. While we're eating lunch, it doesn't get any better than that. All right, Shug, so let's answer the question. Does Guy's Pig and Anchor answer the hype?
I don't know. It's a tough one. I don't want to say no, it doesn't. Can I say it in the middle?
Okay, you can say whatever you want to say.
So I'm going to say in the middle. I'm not going to say it's not worth the hype, and I'm gonna say it is worth the hype. So I'm going to be in the middle. I'm going to be neutral. It was good. I liked it. So I guess it just depends on everybody's taste bud. And I'm going to need you guys to watch out for Allan's review.
No, I mean, actually, if you like this kind of food, and if it was hot, I really think it would be worth the hype. Shug really enjoys that kind of food.
Yes,
I think the downside was, you know, that the temperature on it, which again, is understandable. So yeah, for me, no, it's not worth the hype, but I'm a picky eater. You guys know that. So for people who enjoy this, yeah, you know, if you can get the food hot, maybe take it inside and eat it. And you know, too bad they don't have microwaves to heat it up. But yeah, if you like this kind of food and it's hot, I think it's worth the hype. So also, this is complimentary, but the hours are really limited as to when you can get it. So make sure you check the app because it's not available every day. Also, it's on Deck 10 app, so it's on the back of the ship. With that said, thanks again, guys, for watching. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of our food adventures or our regular vlogs. And of course, we got to thank our members. We really appreciate you guys so much. Victoria, Rob, thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys on our next adventure.